My name is Sijie Guo. I work for Streamlio. I'm one of the co-founders of Streamlio. And at Streamlio, I'm mostly focused on messaging and storage pieces. And before Streamlio, I was at Twitter leading the messaging infrastructure. So the key problem of I will do it. So the key engineering problem for messaging and storage at Streamlio we are facing is mostly one is the scalability issue for our messaging system, and also the simplicity, the unification of messaging and storage system. So the scaling issue comes from for messaging system or for storage system comes from two aspects. One is the scalability of the number of the topics in a messaging system, and the other issue is the scalability of the system to be able to scale beyond number of hundreds or maybe thousands of the nodes. I think the challenging things for the scalability issue on the messaging system, especially for the arise of microservice, you might need a lot of small topics or messaging queues for microservice. And the ability to scale that is you need to scale the I/O or the data, the throughput, but you also need to scale the metadata, and scaling the metadata is the hardest problem, and that is what we are looking for, and be able to provide an ultra scale messaging system for in the market. From system engineer or infrastructure engineer perspective, we write a lot of code around asynchronous processing, and using a functional language to do asynchronous processing will simplify the implementation, design, make code much clearer for maintain, and that is the most beneficial advantage that we can get from functional program for systems. I think it's well organized. There's tons of the impressive talks, and besides, I worked for Twitter before. It's good for coming back.